Hello guys, my name is Vicky Lopez. For those that don't know, I work at the San Bernardino VSC. The purpose of this video is so I can give you a quick demo of a project that I want to incorporate in our workspace. You can access this Sharepoint site is what I'm creating. You can access it through Microsoft Teams. If you don't have Microsoft Teams, you can go ahead and download it. We all have access to it through our Coyote email, and we can add you to the VSC team where you can access this website if you're interested in actually working. If you have a technical background, you can help me kind of build this website. But what I really need help with is creating the content that's going to be on this website. For example, I am working on the video for how to certify your classes through a mobile device, step-by-step instructions, and I plan to embed the video on this SharePoint site. And for example, I would put it on our training tab, and in our training tab, I can put links to videos of, let's say, how to certify your classes through a mobile device and etc. desktop, blah blah blah. And that's what I really need help with, like creating this content of Chapter 31 benefits, how to apply, etc. Specifically for training our student workers, kind of having that platform where we can have a standard across the board. This is what you should know about benefits, etc. Um, I wanted to create this site so we can have a standard of operating procedures across the board. For example, here, oh no, it's in the VSC work. I've created a tab there too, where we have like across the board, policy, respect, dress codes, and stuff like that for both PDC and VSC. I plan to create small mini apps where we can have a discussion board and we can have a communication site where we can both communicate VSC and PDC. If you have a Coyote email, you have access to all this and you'll be able to access and communicate with us. I plan to create another app where across the board we can see the events that are going on in the VSC and the events that are going on in PDC and who's in charge and who's doing what and what tasks need to be done. And maybe you can come in, collaborate, and help out with these tasks remotely or through our website. So we have that communication, kind of fix that gap between both campuses and our supervisors and student workers. So that's what I plan to do. So far, I've added tabs and like kind of placeholders where I'm going to put this information. Here, I'd want to put like admissions, financial aid, and processes information that we need to know about what resources are available for veterans. I've placed a map. If you do come to our campus at San Bernardino, you can visually see and answer phone calls and guide students to each building and stuff like that. I plan to put one on PDC as well. And basically what I need is help with the content of creating it. It can be time consuming, but there's tools like Camtasia, or you can use your iPad or mobile device to create some of these videos, screen record, and kind of do step-by-step instructions how to apply. You could create forms if you would like of instructions, and then I can embed them and create them into digital content on this website. And that's what I could use the help with, kind of like the research, create the content, so I can then really focus on placing the content on the website. If you do have some technical skills, you can help me with the pages as well, but mainly it'd be a huge help just to have the content. What would you like to see on here? Creating an onboarding checklist as well. So far, we have a couple topics that we want to make sure that across the board it's the same, like how to fill out your timesheet. We'll create an instructional video, step-by-step instructions for student workers, stuff like that. And anything that you think it's important that we should know, and make sure like that everybody in whichever campus knows this is how exactly you do things. So that's the goal, so we can bridge that gap in communications. So if you're interested in helping me, shoot me an email. I can definitely give you a task, or you can come up with your own task, and I will embed it into the website. So thank you for your time, and hope to hear from you if you're interested in helping out. Thanks.